Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with your next exercise. Class, in this next exercise, mainly you have to learn the values of these ratio on a certain angle. Here I have created a table for you. In this table, if I talk about sine 0 degree, then sine 0 degree, so this is the value 0. Sine 30 degree, it is 1 upon 2. Sine 45 degree, it is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 degree, it is root 3 upon 2. And sine 90 degree, it is this. Similarly, I want to know about the sec 35 sec 30 degree, sec and 30 degree, so this is the answer, sec 30 degree. If I want to know about cosec 60 degree, cosec and 60 degree, so this is the value. So class, now how to create this table? First of all, this line I suggest to remember. There is method also to get this value. That method is root of 0 upon 4. You will get this. Root of 1 upon 4. You will get this after solving. Root of 2 upon 4. 0, 1, 2. You will get this value. Root of 3 upon 4. You will get this. Root of 4 upon 4. You will get this. So this is one thing. now talking about how to get next line, that is cos. So first value of cos is 1, means second value is this, third value is this, fourth value is this, and fifth value is this. Simply you can say reverse of sine. Cos is a reverse of sine. I hope you all are understanding. Now next, tan we know. Tan is what? You have done this. Tan is sine upon cos. Tan is sine upon cos. So simply we can get the value of tan by dividing sine upon cos. So 1 upon 0, 0. 1 upon 2 upon 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel and it will be 1 upon root 3. This whole will cancel, it will be 1. Here 2 will cancel, root 3. Here 1 upon 0, that's infinity. So this is done. Cot is reciprocal, cosec. We have to go with cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. You have done this also. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So we have to just make the reciprocal of this sine. So reciprocal of this is 1 upon 0, that is infinity. Reciprocal of this is 2. Reciprocal of this is root 2. Reciprocal of this is 2 upon root 3, and reciprocal of this is 1. Similarly, sec is reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon 1, 1. Reciprocal of this is this. Reciprocal of this is this. And reciprocal of 0 is infinity. Now cot is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 upon 0 is infinity. 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3 reciprocal is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3, and reciprocal of infinity will be 0, because 1 upon 0 is infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity, then 1 upon infinity will be 0. So here 1 upon infinity is 0. I hope you all are understanding, class. This table you create by yourself using the concept of previous exercise, that is this concept that I have told you, mainly this point and this point, 3 and 4 point. So this is your table. Now what we have to get? Now what we have to do? We have to do the exercise. First question, simply we have to substitute the value. All the values we have substitute, but little calculation is needed because the values are in roots. So you know in roots we have to do rationalization, because in denominator never root will should not come. So first question in this, it is very simple. Cos 60 sin 60 is this, cos 60 is this, sin 30 is 1 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, as according to the table. You can see this table: cos sin 30, cos 30, sin 60, cos 60. So on substituting the value, you can see that now multiply, you will get 3 upon 4. On multiplying this, you will get 1 upon 4. Finally 4 upon 4. So answer same as the next one. You have to substitute the value, and in the square is also been done, square is also there, so we have to do the square of the values. Next is little bit difficult, only in the sense because the values are in root. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. You will see the table, then you will come to know. And sec 30 is 2. Now we have substituted the value, but we have to solve it. So here the LCM has been taken. On taking the LCM, this result is coming. Now this root 3 will be multiplied with this, and root 2 will be multiplied with this. So we will get this value. Finally, on multiplying root 2 inside, we will get this value. Root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. Root 2 into 2 root 3 is 2 into root 6, because root 2 and root 3 is root 6. This is the answer. But we cannot keep root 2 in down, so we will rationalize it. By 2 root 6 is greater, so 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 upon 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. We will rationalize like this. Rationalize, it is plus, so we will take minus and minus. So same has been done in next page. After rationalization, now a plus b, a minus b, on solving we will get 24 minus 8, that is 16. And in above this is the answer. On taking 2 common, this is the answer. Now this 16 and this will be cancelled. We can solve it further. Answer is done. This is the answer. But for further solution, we can do like this. This can be cancelled, so it is 8. Now root 3 is multiplied here. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18, and root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3, and we can take this 3 out like this. Finally root 2 will be the part left, and root 6 is as it is. It cannot be solved. So class, let's move to the next question. Next question is exactly same as the fourth part, so I am not telling you, I have given you the solution. You can check out with this. Those who cannot do, those who can do, I want you to try yourself. It will be wrong maximum, nothing else. So try yourself. Next is also the same. Try this also. This is little bit simple because root, it is the square, so root is not coming. It is a square. It's a square, so root is not coming. That's why it is little bit simple. So on solving you will get this. On solving, final answer is 67 upon 12. Now let's move to the second question. In second question, it is the optional type. We have to check which is the most suitable value out of this result. So we have to solve it. Again we have to substitute the value. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 3, sorry. So 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square. Now solve it, and after that you will get a particular value, and we have to check that value is of which: cos 60, cos 30, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, or sin 30. So I have made the solution. I've got the solution for you. On solving, it is coming finally root 3 upon 2. So root 3 upon 2 is the answer of sin 60. So option A is the correct one, because root 3 upon 2 is only the value of this. Value of this is 1 upon 2, value of this is root 3, value of this is 1 upon 2. So only left is cos 60. Next, here also we have to substitute the value. So cos 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So it is finally 0. So 0 is the answer. So 0 is the correct answer. Next, in this we have only option. In this it is given sin 2a is equals to this. What is the value of a? So value of a is given, 4 values are given. Now you just substitute, keep on substituting the value. First you substitute 0 here, then you substitute 30, then you substitute 45, then you substitute 60, and get the result. So on the trial basis of trial, 0 is the answer. See the solution. 0 is the correct answer, because on substituting 0 here, it will become sin 0, because 2 into 0 is 0, and sin 0 is 0. Here on substituting in RHS, sin 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0. So both are coming as, you can see that both are coming as 0. So option A is the correct one. Now the fourth part is same as the first part. You try yourself. Now question number 3. Very important question and very different question from all other questions till now you have done. So class, in this it is given that tan a plus b is equals to root 3. In this given, tan a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3. So what we will do, we will check, we have this equation, we will check for at which angle tan is root 3. So at tan 60, tan is root 3. If you will see the table, there you will see that root 3 is the value of tan 60. And why we are choosing for tan only? Because we can compare now. Now on comparing, a plus b is equals to 60 degree. Similarly for second one, 1 upon root 3 at which value of tan? That's a 30 degree. So on comparing again, a minus b is equals to 30. Now what we have got? We have got a plus b is equals to 60, and we have got a minus b is equals to 30. Now solve for it. This is cancelled. This is 2a is equals to 90. That is a is equals to 45. If a is equals to 45, b is equals to 15. So the same they have done. A is equals to 45 and b is equals to 15 is the answer. Now last is your true false. The first part is false, because as I've already told you, sin a doesn't mean sin into a. So it follows here also. This is not equal. So sin a plus b cannot be sin a plus sin b. Next, value of sine increases with increase the value of theta. Yes, it is true, because if you see the first table that I have told you, it goes from 0 to 1. In sine 0 it is 0 and sine 90 it is 1, so it is increasing, so it is true. Next, value of cos 0 increases with increase in value of theta, so this is false, because cos start with 1 and ends at 0. Value of cos start with 1 and ends at 0, so this is a false statement. Now it says fifth one, cos theta is equals to sin theta is equals to cos theta for all value of theta. No, it is only equal for 45. In 45 both are 1 upon root 2, but in rest of the values it is all different. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, cos 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. So all are different, only cos 45 and sin 45 both are 1 upon root 2. So this is also wrong. Last, cot A is not defined at A is equals to 0. Simply they are asking what is the value of cot 0. Cot 0 is infinity. So this is true. Not defined means infinity. So that's all class, what we have got finally. This is true, this is false, sorry, this is true, this is false, this is false, and this is true. That's all class. Now you complete this exercise within 2 days. Only 4 questions are there, you can do. For any query you can ask question, no worries. That's all class.